Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to optimize your Google Chrome's memory usage. So open your Google Chrome's Task Manager, launch your Chrome, click on the three dots in the top right menu, and here select More Tools option. Then select Task Manager. A small menu will appear in the center. You need to identify and end the memory-intensive processes. Review the list to find tabs or extensions consuming the most memory, and then select any high memory item and click on it to end the process. And then after, click on the three-dot menu again, then select Extensions option and select Manage Extensions. Here you'll see all the list of extensions that you have ever downloaded on your Google Chrome web browser. Disable or remove any extensions that you don't frequently use, or you can toggle this option right here to disable it, or you can also go ahead and click on remove to permanently delete it from your browser. And remember that a large number of open tabs significantly contributes to a high RAM usage, so close any tabs that you're not using or which are unnecessary to confirm that memory usage has decreased. So last but not least, go ahead and restart your Chrome. Close the Chrome application and then relaunch it on your device. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.